how to stay busy in the off season without plowing snow. Hey everyone, I'm Jacob Godar and I'm the owner of Scooters Lawn Care. My channel helps contractors deliver and clients experience a luxurious everyday life through property transformations. And today we're talking about something that has changed the game for us, and that is getting out of snow plowing but staying busy with other services. And I wanted to go over what we do in the office to stay busy, what we do in the field to stay busy, and then a general overall thing that pushes us out into the future. So number one, in the office, what do we do to stay busy in that downtime, that slower time, which is our off season? And that is to start pre-selling fertilizer, start setting up customers early. We offer more incentives for clients to get signed on in December. So we're starting that early. And we start these prepay for fertilizer and other things. We start them early to have a bunch of time to get these done in the off season. And what we're constantly doing is making sure customers are getting what they need. Everything is pre-scheduled. Fertilizer is pre-sold, and it gives us time to reach out and get all of that in. And that keeps the office super busy. During our normal season, we never have the chance to take prepays or pre-schedule all of this at once because it's just so much. So that's a lot of what the office does. Plus, they aid in keeping the field busy by skimming these lists, doing courtesy calls, by looking at everything and seeing what all we can be doing to make sure our clients are happy and to make sure our employees are working. Number two, what we do to stay busy out in the field. This is a time where without snow, and snow is just something that you may get here and there, but I want to be able to have scheduled work. And the reason we got out of snow is because a lot of people have families that work for us. There are a lot of younger families, and I've always hated the idea of having to plow snow Christmas Day, New Year's Eve. I mean, all these times in the holiday season, I hated that. And I hated the weird hours for a family. That's why we're so adamant on we don't work weekends. You know, we do our best to give everybody their family time. Obviously, there's times where this doesn't work, so we decided to get out of snow plowing to get into something we could schedule that would fit our team better. So now we take on interior painting jobs. We take on light flooring jobs. These home service, we got a lot of guys that build stuff in the season out in the field that have a lot of interior experience that can build stuff inside. We can't keep everyone busy with this because not everyone is a fit for working interior services. The good list of people that are a great fit for that, we want to be able to keep them busy, and that's what we do by using interior services. But we also look for what else we can be doing because we already have a short off season because we work almost all the way to January getting things done. So we look for brush cleanup, outside machine work, and all other things to keep that schedule rolling, to keep those people and as many of those people employed and working all through the off season. After that, there's a piece that number three, what we do to stay busy. Once all that's done, once all that's figured out, or really in the middle of it, this is the time for prepping and planning. That happens in every part of the business. We need to make sure we're ready for next season to serve clients better, to serve everyone better, so our employees can do better as a team. Everything can continue to grow and get better. So that requires looking over all the equipment, maintaining the equipment, prepping the shop, prepping things for next season, trying to foresee what's gonna happen and getting ready for it. Same in the office. Just like I said, going through and pre-selling all this stuff, there's so much prepping and so many things to make sure when we go out of the gate at the beginning of the year, we are ready to go and we can just fly into service and make sure everyone gets taken care of in a timely manner. So the last thing to throw on top of the already big list is prepping and planning in the field and shop and in the front office to make sure things are rolling into the future season. Everyone, that's how we stay busy as a lawn and landscape company in the off season without snow plowing, and how we continue to do more and more every season to keep our employees busy. I don't know how I forgot about it. Christmas lights has been a great add-on that pushes us way out into the season. Anyone that has any comments, any ideas of how they do it if they don't plow snow, Drop those in the comments below, and I hope I've gave you guys some ideas of some easier services that your team's already skilled and can do, and we continue to give them through the off season. See you soon.